Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Imagine if you wake up to payments like this directly sent to your account. That would change your life, right? For us, it's not a dream or our imagination. We do wake up to hundreds and even thousands of dollars in our accounts, doing little to no work. So if you're sick of struggling to make ends meet, and you're frustrated about not seeing enough money in your bank account, maybe worried about what the future holds, then I've got the perfect solution for you. Hey, it's James here, and in the next 60 seconds, we're going to show you how you can quickly copy the exact system that generates these payments for us day in and day out. All of the payments you saw earlier are generated from just one single ProfitCell. And the best thing yet, these are so simple and quick to duplicate. The ProfitCell system is designed to create a viral web of ProfitCells that generate passive income that continues to grow exponentially over time. These ProfitCells continue to pay us without lifting a finger, without jumping through hoops or anything too technical. We don't create anything. We don't design anything. We don't write anything. And most importantly, we don't pay anything. And we still make $860.34 daily, no problem. With the ProfitCell system, it never stops. It doesn't matter whether you're on vacation, traveling with friends, or simply visiting your parents for that traditional Sunday night meal. The ProfitCell system keeps running, putting our viral passive income cells to work that continues to grow without needing any maintenance or monitoring. Finally, a legitimate and real business in a box that you can rely on to keep running in the background and produce real results. It doesn't even matter where you are. All you need is internet access, smartphone, or a laptop, and you're good to go. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started with ProfitCell. Step 1, grab a copy. Click on any of the links on this page to get instant access to ProfitCell. Step 2, set up your viral web of ProfitCells. It only takes a few moments to set up. We've even added your first ProfitCell to get you started instantly. Step 3, activate the buyer traffic. We've given you access to the hottest sources of traffic. something that 7, even 8-figure marketers keep close to their chest. We're going to give you the keys to a true set and forget system. Literally anybody, no matter what your skill level, can understand and use to generate commissions in hours or even minutes from now. This is as close to an honest, set it and forget it system as you'll ever find. All you have to do is plug in some traffic and watch these profit cells get put to work. The bottom line is you're going to attract a monstrous horde of people to an offer so compelling, they'll be stumbling over themselves to take out their wallet and give you money, allowing you to focus on more important things in life, spending time with family, going on vacation. So, if you're new to online marketing and you're looking to get started fast, this is it. And the best thing yet, inside ProfitCell, we will show you our underground diamond traffic source to help you get an avalanche of card-in-hand buyers to your ProfitCell immediately. For those who know, we've been keeping this traffic goldmine close to our chest, and you get access today when you grab your ProfitCell system today. ProfitCell works for everyone. This is a complete and brand new way to do business that I promise you've never seen before. With ProfitCell, you don't have to worry about your age. Don't worry about your technical experience. Don't worry about getting anything else. Just get ProfitCell before the price goes up on this and let us take care of everything for you. You see, we created this to give back. We could easily sell this for $497 per month or even more than that, but you won't pay $497 a month. You won't even pay $97 per month. You won't even pay monthly at all if you pick this up. Now during the launch special, it's only a small one-time investment, but the price is increasing every 60 minutes. So if you want to get the best price, get ProfitCell right now. Also, we want to make sure this is a no-brainer. So in addition to a cheap one-time payment, we're also including 10 additional money-making bonuses with a total value of $13,569.45, including additional traffic gaps and also emergency cash methods. These emergency cash methods are perfect when you're in a pinch on a bad day and need a quick influx of cash. How's that for value? That's over $1,300 per bonus that you get complimentary today when you grab a copy of ProfitCell. So, in addition to our greatest product of all time, ProfitCell makes it easy for anybody to take advantage of real online commissions and transcend to a better life and to make this risk-free. Buy ProfitCell, follow our simple instructions, and if you don't make a penny with this in the next 60 days, or our amazing support team is unable to get you results, we'll give you your money back, no questions asked. How's that sound? Please hurry. Right now, the price is going up. If you want all our bonuses we have ready for you, and you want the best price, get ProfitCell right now. Either way, thank you so much for watching our video. Have an amazing day, and hope to see you in the members area.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.